Hello guys, my name is Shemek and I would like to invite you on a new series which I've called Let's Analyze. And today we're analyzing Bitcoin and how does it look like, what's my opinion about it regarding the future movements. And yeah, let's discuss. From a higher time frame, and I'm looking at the wicks at the moment, you can see the Bitcoin is clearly bearish. It's going down, and as long as it's not, as it haven't broken the structure, its correction movement in this point, the highest point, and the candles haven't broken above it, I still believe the Bitcoin. There's a big chance of Bitcoin going lower. Possible even to this place which I've selected over here between its prices between the price of 12,500 and even under 5,000. I know it sounds weird, but I'm not discussing it if it's possible. I'm basically showing you what technical analysis is showing me, and let's see how it is right now. What's the situation in Bitcoin right now? As you can see, it's clearly bouncing off the highest point of this impulsive movement over here. That's the kind of a last chance for Bitcoin. If it will break above it, that's great. That means we are expecting the price correction, which is somewhere over here, and then changing its profile completely, and probably will start giving us higher movements. How high, we'll discuss it later on. But what's happening right now? As you can see, the first entrance to this point over here, to this area, the red area over here, has gave us the price correction like that. Yeah, from here it took some stop losses, and it gives us a correction price going back to the last liquidity point in here. Then it collected some liquidity. We had a small accumulation, and it gives us a higher high. So it's bouncing off this area over here, but still not breaking the structure, which is really important because, as you can see, the structure is basically like that. So it's coming back to the liquidity points. It's collecting its liquidity, getting some more money, and what I would expect, it's basically Bitcoin right now dropping down to this area over here, and probably if we'll carry on with this structure, probably it could give us even higher price. However, as you remember, Bitcoin is still on the higher time frame. Bitcoin is still dropping down. Yeah, we've got the bearish structure, which from this point we could see the break of the rising structure. Yeah, we can see the break of this point, which will mean that after the price correction, that will be an impulsive movement. Yeah, that will be impulsive move. We'll have a price correction, and we'll carry on with the impulse like that, which could possibly be a retest of this impulse, which we created over the last few weeks, and we'll have a test in here. The exactly same thing could happen. We could have a positive test for impulse, and then we'll see the structure break, retest, and carry on like that. That's one of the options. Or what we can see, Bitcoin gonna carry on the bearish structure, which will give us possibly even price around here. That's my opinion. At the moment, I'm in the shorts. I'm in the short positions. There's a retest going on right now, which I'm expecting Bitcoin to carry on with its and the price will carry on being bearish into this, at least this point in here, and then we'll expect the tests. If we're gonna scroll in and see where are we exactly, what's going on. We've just entered the last price correction in this move, like that. Yeah, so there's the price correction, and I'm expecting something to show in here, show us a breakage, then we'll wait for a retest, and I'll carry on with my shorts, probably adding a bit more into short positions to at least this green area over here. That's my predictions. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you think about it. I'll be more than grateful receiving any comments if they're bad or good. That would be great if you carry on the journey with me. Thank you very much, and I'll hear you soon. Catch you later.